You can't miss it. Understanding an English idiom. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, you can't miss it. This phrase can be a bit puzzling for English learners, so let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. When we hear the phrase, you can't miss it, it might sound like it's impossible to miss something. Literally, this could mean that something is so obvious or large that you couldn't possibly fail to see or notice it. But in English, we often use this phrase in a figurative way. It usually means that something is easy to find or recognize. For example, if you're looking for a restaurant and someone says, you can't miss it, they mean that the restaurant is easy to find. This phrase is often used in directions or when describing something distinctive. Let's look at some examples. 1. Giving directions. The library is at the end of the street, next to the large statue. You can't miss it. 2. Describing a person or object. He'll be wearing a bright red hat. You can't miss him. In these situations, you can't miss it serves as a reassurance that the task of finding something or someone is not difficult. Like many phrases in English, you can't miss it can be altered slightly while retaining its meaning. Some variations include, it's impossible to miss, you won't miss it. Understanding these variations can help you recognize the phrase in different contexts. And there you have it. The phrase, you can't miss it, is a useful and commonly used expression in English, particularly when giving directions or pointing out something obvious. We hope this video has made it easy for you to understand and use this phrase in your daily English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.